there's some scrap right there. Let's just grab that real quick and turn down the news. I don't want to hear that story. Oh, I've been sitting down for a little too long. Hate that. Oh, yeah. LOL. There's a weird smell out today. Like, smells like corn manufacturing. Or corn, like corn processing. There's a corn processing plant. Looks like really far away from here, so I know they can't be coming from there. It's in Summit, Illinois, which is quite the distance from Joliet. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This looks like a challenge. I don't know. Cars running. I'm distracted by things that you can't see on camera. Now I gotta figure out what to do with this stuff. A bunch of wheels there. What else do they got? Got a ladder. What the heck's this stuff? Chairs. Of course, there's always a vehicle in the way of the big pile that I'm after. Really after that big pile. Get that FedEx truck out of the way. I mean, I'm interested in the chairs, but I want to see what's in the big pile over there. Well, I'm impatient and what do we got here? Oh, we got a ladder in there. What do we got on that? What the heck's this thing? Pickers. That's why I wanted to be on this pile, and that FedEx truck was blocking the way. Oh, neighborhood pickers. Look at it right there. There's a TV. Nobody wants that. Look, Mom, I got myself a net. Okay, you dropped the old man off. Now he's gonna head back this way. I'm trying to determine the potential for problems. Oh, he was looking. He didn't look happy. Who cares? People get really squirrely. Most of this stuff. Okay, I'll take the car. I'll take the car part. And I think I'll take that ladder. Got that out. What else got here? An old lamp right here. Wow. Embedded. Hey, there's an LED light bulb in there. I'll rescue that. Stash that there. I really don't see anything else. I mean, these tables maybe. Oh, duh. How big is that? Ah, that's fiberglass. Fiberglass Chevy hood. It's got the emblem on there though. Oh well. Got some chairs that are like partly aluminum. These are what I was looking at earlier. And a FedEx truck sitting in the way though. That's actually partly aluminum. Okay. Every house has a dog. When you see a big old mountain of stuff like that, it's like, ooh, go for it. And about a good 95% of it or more It is actually just garbage. Because we're in Joliet after all. Something up there. Looks like a TV and a vacuum cleaner from here. Of course, there's a car getting in the way. Again. Once again, don't block the driveway. Hey, another house for sale. Cram it in there somewhere, right? I had somebody say, you pack your van like Shane Man. Probably because he doesn't want to destroy his van. It's used for picking up junk, but he probably doesn't want to ruin it. All right. Yeah, that's my claim. He doesn't want to bomb it out all the way. Actually, if I could preserve this thing well enough, it might be worth dolling up quite a bit and selling it at some point in the future. It's unprofitable to destroy the vehicle, okay, you know, through scrapping. But one day at a time, right? Let's see what else is out there. Whoop, more bed frames. More bed frames. Open up the hatch. Grab these bad boys. This is the time of year for these things, so I'll probably get like maybe about 1,000 of these in the next month or so. Mayflowers. Yep. It'll slow down by the time 4th of July comes around. Won't find so many of them. Now pick back up around, I'd say, well, that's gonna go on further. I'd probably pick up around August. So it'll be about a month and a half, 2 months lull in between. Then the bed frame season picks back up for about another month or so. Then dies down until the college kids come home from the semester. So that would be around Thanksgiving or so. Thanksgiving US calendar. Thanksgiving. Not the Canadian one. It's in early October. I think the real reason for that is because the growing season is a little shorter there, so. Anywho, yeah, sometime like around the middle to late November, bed frames all the way through the first week of January. Then no more bed frames, or very few, like just a handful. And then spring break comes along, bed frames, pretty much throughout the spring season until June or so, early June. And pretty much no more bed frames for a couple months, more or less. All right, onwards. Listen, kids, it's still really flooded around here. That house, that basement's gotta be flooded. And these poor people, they're never gonna sell that house. They're gonna have to mark that thing down like nobody's business. You ain't never gonna sell that place. It's been for sale for a year. I marked that thing like half off. Because it floods there first. So even if you get like just a mild amount of rain, their backyard fills up with water. So it's essentially worthless. Thought I see a couple of rotors over here. Yep. Don't block the driveway. That car might be coming in here. Oh, hey, that was a close call. He's going over there. Two discs. I usually replace them in pairs unless you're like me. One at a time. All I care about is if the car stops or not. It doesn't have to perform. I don't drive fast. I don't drive quickly even. I drive very soft and easy. So I started going for that object down there, but I realized after the intersection that it's only a television. LOL. I couldn't see the gray band in front. I just saw bulk, which made me think that it might be a microwave. I gotta go back up because there's no circle down there. It's just a dead end. And there's no power steering, so it'd be like a 40-point turn unless I really want to crank on the steering wheel, and that will ruin the rack and pinion. So I've been driving this thing very soft. That way, you know, don't put too much effort into the steering, and you'll preserve the rack and pinion to last indefinitely.